Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about something that a lot of you have been asking me about, the location of BrioDirect Bank. BrioDirect Bank is a relatively new bank that has been gaining a lot of attention lately. They offer a number of unique features that make them a great choice for many people. However, one thing that people often wonder is where the bank is located. Answer: BrioDirect Bank is a digital bank, which means that they don't have any physical branches. Instead, they operate online and through their mobile app. This means that you can bank from anywhere in the world, at any time. Benefits of being a digital bank. There are a number of benefits to being a digital bank. One benefit is that you can save money on banking fees. Digital banks typically have lower fees than traditional banks. Another benefit is that you can access your account from anywhere in the world, at any time. This is great if you travel a lot or if you need to access your money from your phone. How to open an account with BrioDirect Bank. If you're interested in opening an account with BrioDirect Bank, you can do so online or through their mobile app. The process is quick and easy. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any other questions about BrioDirect Bank, please feel free to leave a comment below. If you're looking for a great digital bank, I highly recommend BrioDirect. You can learn more about them on their website or by downloading their app. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.